Ona kihuhukanio kiria kigumeire thibitari wa Pumwani gitari kirahorera riu ngavana wa Nairobi Mike Sonko neugite ari na kihonia gia gutura gia gwaka thibitari mweru o hakuhi na thibitari uyo wa Pumwani. Onyitanirine na thibitari wa Aga Khan na Nairobi West, thibitari uyo tanyitwo kurikirira kwa ihinda ria miaka iri yukite, kuria ningi thibitari ici itanyitwo gukaheana arigitani kuruta wira kuo hatari marehi. Ona gutuika ngirimiti ta ici cianakorwo kuo, mubango wa Sonko ni utungitio uregani munene oro undu umwe na gwikirirwo nganja.
And usually whenever hospitals partner with universities, we expect that the university also brings in value. It will help with the hospital infrastructure and as well as providing manpower. But you see, the task of supplies still squarely lies with the owner of the hospital, which in this case will be Nairobi County.
Kiuria kinene kiria gitari kirona wa gucokia ni uria miena yeri igukorwo ikigunika na ngirimiti ino hatari kuhutia wajiko.
Partnerships mean that both partners must gain something. So what is Nairobi West Hospital going to gain out of this partnership with Pumwani? If that doesn't come out clearly, they need to explain themselves very well for us to understand how this is going to benefit the mother from Korogosho who's coming to deliver in Pumwani.
Uiguano uyu uroneka gukorwo ri wa naihenya na waya gukaga guteithia mu Kenya kuona matanya maguo matirataukika ni aige.
Why can't the entity simply go and buy its own land and put up its own private maternity hospital? You understand? We need to understand that. Are you going to tell us then that if you're here, the reason you're here is such that if this mother from Pumwani requires ICU care, they have access to your ICU at no cost or at the Linda Mama rate, then that makes sense. But if it doesn't, and the patient has to pay more, then it doesn't make sense. Pumwani will still keep referring these mothers to Kenyatta Hospital.
Kurigana na dagitari Nelly Bosire, kihonia kia naihenya ti gwaka thibitari mweru, kuona thibitari wa Pumwani uri na uhoti wa gutungatira a Kenya na njira iria ciagiriire angikorwo thirikari ni ikumurika mamwe ma mathina maria makoretwo kuo.
For instance, the operating theaters, they sit on massive space. It contains capacity to have fully functional 4 operating rooms. Why not equip those, increase the manpower so that at any one time Pumwani can have 4 running theaters instead of the current 1 during the night and 2 during the day, to make it a lot more efficient and to make it possible to reduce the backload of patients who are sitting waiting for surgery and ending up with bad outcomes because of lost time.
Ona kuhanoro uguo ni arutite mukana wa gutengerera ngirimiti ta ici akiuga ciaya gutuika ugwati.
Anywhere in the world, the best facilities are always teaching and research institutions. If we're going this way with Pumwani, I can tell you that we're in the right space. But when it comes to the financial aspect, we need to be very, very careful not to sell off our children's birthright.
Mwako wa thibitari uyu tanyitwo gukorwo ri wa gorofa 10 ukioya makiria ya itanda 450 kuria ngirimiti ino itanyitwo gwikanirirwo kirore kiumia twerekeire. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wadirwa.